So this lady is the twerker. She decides that she wants, instead of getting arrested, she wants to twerk. Y'all don't believe me. Y'all think I'm making this up, right? Y'all think I gotta be making this up. Let's start. Oh, somewhere else in Florida. Lord have mercy. What are we doing down
Let me
here?
see your hands. Hands out the window.
I swear,
I got
we're
a
up
kid
to
in here.
something
Be
Miami.
careful. I have a
Another.
kid in the back seat. No, don't grab me. Don't grab me. Don't grab. What are you grabbing me for? What are you grabbing me for? What are you recording?
Okay.
Are you recording?
I'm trying to.
Don't grab me. Don't grab me. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. Do not grab me. Do not grab me. I'm gonna give you my driver's right here.
Okay. I'm recording too.
Them people threw that shit at my car. I have no problem giving my license. I promise. I have no problem.
Well, you saw the blue lights, right?
I did, yeah.
Okay.
That's why I pulled over right here. No, I pulled over right here. I got off on the
You
interstate.
accelerated, trying to get away from it.
No, I did not. I
It's
pulled
on
over.
camera.
You're another person.
I'm not hiding from you. I just got out of jail. I'm not hiding from nobody.
I didn't say you were hiding.
Okay.
But it damn sure looked like you were trying to evade. Is this your vehicle?
Yeah. This is my grandma.
What's this?
That's my medical, just in case.
Is there any in the car?
No.
Well, then I'm not worried about it. Who do you got with you?
My
No.
damn people threw
This guy.
some good with mileage and videos of them bitches. Eliza.
It's what? It's wet?
Yes. Do you see the lines? Do you see these lines? That's all from them throwing something in my car.
Tell you what.
I just have to
stand right there.
All right, I can already tell this cop is not the smartest dude ever. So we gonna see what's gonna happen here.
Can I just?
Okay, what happened?
When we were driving, there was this other car, new reversion car. Looked like it had a new tag on it. You're okay if I record this, right?
I'm recording.
Oh, okay, we're all recording. Yeah. So we're driving that, and then it hit inside the car, and we were just trying to get.
She saw my lights. I was trying to catch up. She passed me. She was riding that other vehicle. Be quiet. I was trying to catch up. She was trying to get away. She was weaving in and out of cars, trying to get away.
I gotta pee.
Do you have anything illegal on it?
I don't. You can take me.
No, stop.
Okay, I'm just telling you.
So she decides she just want to get naked in the street.
Nope.
Come on, sis. Just do better.
I'm telling you, I don't have nothing. I just have to piss.
You go to the restroom?
Can I piss, please? Or I can be here and you can watch me. I don't
No.
care.
I don't want to watch that.
Well,
Come up behind me. Hang on.
no,
You can figure something.
let's go. Start treating me.
We're kind of just a minute.
That's what you're jumping to conclusion.
I mean, they still arguing. Like, what's the point?
Am I being
You're
detained
He is detaining you. You're not free to.
or not? Are they or not?
You don't know that.
No, they ain't. You fucking dumb.
Okay.
You say you've been 25 years with a
Y'all, look at how some people just can talk to the police with no consequence. This is just crazy to me. Look at this.
cop. You're a fucking idiot. Am I being detained or not?
You're not free to go.
Not free to
You're not free
go.
to go.
Not free to go.
He is detaining you. You're not free to go.
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are.
Okay.
He's conducting an investigation. No, you're not under arrest. Oh, there he comes. Get out of the road.
Sweetheart.
Get over here.
Look at this.
Here he comes, right here. We'll let you go.
Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. That's what I'm talking.
Don't pull off.
Good night.
He's conducting the investigation.
She's like, what is really going on?
Can you step out of the vehicle? Let me talk to you.
For what?
For what?
You don't even know his no.
You're gonna talk to her.
No.
Because I wanted to talk to you away from her, so I heard the whole.
No.
Lord have mercy.
I told you what happened already.
He does not need.
I just need to talk to you.
No. That ain't
So
no
that way I
talking.
can talk.
Same story. So
I mean, this conversation has been going on for like 5 minutes alone,
Okay,
bro.
finish, please.
Edited her.
No.
We still.
You're being
I have
detained.
yet to be told what for.
You'll find out here in just a minute.
No, tell me now. I'm gonna call 911.
Call 911. No.
In charge to hold me on.
Look at this.
No.
He's like, you know what? I'm over it. This thing going on. Look at this. Look at this. Well, So they didn't even catch her. This Disney chick just crashed on the side of the road. Why? She just
Get on the ground.
she
Fuck you. Fuck you.
got
My
her butt. Yo,
Get out.
put up underwear.
You're pushing in my senior car. You're pushing. Are you
What's going on?
You like my ass? He's gone. That person is him to me. Don't worry about this cop.
There's a kid in the
My
car.
phone now.
There is a kid in the car. There's a kid in the car. And she's walking around in her underwear. She just said, forget the short. And kicked the she kicked this dude. What? Taser.
That shit hurts. Y'all
And now
still
it's
have not
the
found this
tonight.
motherfucker. I'm about to go back there and help you find him so you can like. I have two. I don't just like the fucking enemy.
I am so done. I have seen it all. It's amazing how some people can get away with a whole lot with police, and some folks can't get away with nothing. I just get a kick out of watching these arrest videos and just be amazed at how people are so belligerent and uncooperative. Now, of course, I grew up in the F the police era and don't talk to cops and no snitching and all this other stuff. But sometimes after watching these videos and how they are treated, not saying that they're justified, but some of these folks get some of the things that they deserve. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit that thumbs up for me. And if you have not already subscribed to this channel, if you got any videos you'd like me to react to, send it to dlensreacts@gmail.com. That is DELINZ reacts@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.